Okay. Today I am going to teach chemical bonding. What is the meaning of bond?
Relation.
Bond means in Telugu bandham. Bandham, vivaha bandham, rakta bandham, rakta bandham, and there are so many bonds in our day-to-day life. In such a way, here that is the chemical bonding. Chemical bonding means there are two types of bonds. There are how many types of bonds?
Two types.
There are two types of bonds. There are two types of bonds. Two types of bonds. One is what is the one? What is the bond? One. Tell me, rhetorical question. Ionic bond. What is that?
Ionic covalent.
Ionic bond, and second one is covalent. First one is ionic bond, second one is covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond. In covalent means there are another two types. What are those? What are those? Polar and non-polar. Polar and non-polar. 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 What is ionic bond? In the ionic bond, the electrons are transferred from in the ionic bond. In the ionic bond, the electrons are the ionic bond. The electrons are transferred. The electrons are transferred from metal to non-metal. From metal to non-metal. Non-metal. In metal we get to positive charge. What is that? Positive charge. Positive charge. And in non-metal we get non-metal in which we get negative charge. In which we get negative charge. 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 What is that? Negative charge. Suppose if you take an example of sodium chloride. Here sodium has in first cell there are 2 electrons. In the second cell we have 8 electrons. In the third cell we have only 1 electron, that is outermost shell or valence shell. Outermost shell or valence shell. This shell is called valence shell. Valence shell. Valence means the capacity of combination of the combining of the atoms. Valence shell. Here we take chlorine. Chlorine the first shell. What we have? In the chlorine first shell 2 electrons. Second cell 8 electrons. Third cell how many? 7 electrons. There are 7 electrons. 7 electrons. 7 electrons means sodium can give positive 1 electron, that is cation. In which chlorine it receives 1 electron, that is minus. Chlorine requires 1 electron. Sodium can transfer 1 electron to the chlorine. Here what happens is, here ions are combined together by electrostatic forms. Ions of positive and negative, are together by the force of electrostatic force. This is called. Then finally we get what we get? Sodium chloride. We get sodium chloride. Sodium plus 1, chlorine minus 1. In this class we get sodium chloride, which is used as a table salt in the kitchen.